I have a mini decluttering challenge for you today. These challenges are meant to be fun, doable, simple, easy, and a good way to get started when you don't know where to start. How about starting with your excess hangers? If you take a look at any closet, especially your main clothing closet, I have a feeling you're going to find a lot of hangers that are not doing anything. They're just sitting around. No clothing is sitting on those hangers. You could free up so much space, because they are space hogs, in your closets if you rounded them up and stored them elsewhere, or if you really don't need them, donate them maybe on Facebook Marketplace. They're sometimes hard to get rid of. Or even recycle some of them, like the wire ones. Sometimes dry cleaners will accept those for recycling. So ask your favorite dry cleaner or any dry cleaner in your area if they are willing to accept your hangers. So this is a great challenge to participate in if you're short on space in your closet. You might find another foot or so of space. I hope you do. I'm Jill Annis, the owner of Simply Organized. I'm your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more information about Simply Organized, look in the description below. There are many ways I can support you, either virtually, in person, or via free tips. See you next time.